We are talking about individuals who are apprehended in Jabalia and Shaja'iyya, Hamas strongholds and centers of gravity. We're talking about military-aged men who were discovered in areas that civilians were supposed to have evacuated weeks ago. We've been calling for an evacuation of those Hamas strongholds in order to locate the Hamas October 7th monsters with minimal harm to civilians. Now those individuals will be questioned and we will work out who indeed was a Hamas terrorist and who is not. We will continue to dismantle each and every one of these Hamas strongholds until we finish in Jabalia and Shaja'iyya and then continue in Khan Yunis. And we will, of course, work out who needs to be arrested and detained and put to justice as a Hamas terrorist and who was not.
واحنا قاعدين في بيوتنا امنين، ما استفقنا الا حزام ناري ضرب المنطقه كلها. الدار هذه مليانه اطفال، الدار اللي جنبنا دار خالي كلها اطفال، العماره كله، الشارع اللي انت واقف عليه واقف انت فوق اطفال بيلعبوا في الشارع كامل. الشارع دائما مليان بني ادمين. يعني ضرب الدار هذه ضربوا جلالي مدنيين ولا حدا، في كله نسوان، طلعناهم كلهم نسوان، اطفال، اولاد صغار، شيوخ، ما ضلش يعني، وين نروح؟